Patterned tops or dresses are one thing, but pants. Some women might squirm with the idea of wearing printed leggings. However, it is actually easy to tackle printed pants. All you need is few basic top wear and lots of accessories to rock the look. One of the popular supplier have curated bulk sublimation leggings blank retailers can have a look at. Meanwhile, let's read on to know how to style a trendy ensemble. 1. Start conservatively. If bold patterns aren't your thing, you can still participate by looking for bottoms with subtle details, like tiny polka dots, pinstripes, or tie-dye designs. These can be styled with classic top wear like a beige shirt or cami top to create a subtle look. 2. Try leopard print. Animal print bottoms are very popular, so they are another great option if you just want to stick your toe in the water with this trend. You can style it with dark colored complements.